Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Google Workspace sharing settings for Drive and Gmail, full guide step by step clearly. To verify Google Workspace sharing settings for Drive and Gmail, start by signing in to your Google admin console at admin.google.com. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. For Drive, select Apps from the left sidebar. Click on Google Workspace. Then, select Drive and Docs. In the Drive and Docs settings page, locate Sharing Settings. Here, you can review the sharing options available. To adjust sharing settings, click on Sharing Options. You'll find settings that control how documents are shared internally and externally. Ensure you review the settings for file sharing. Confirm whether users can share files outside the domain or only within it. Next, scroll down to check the settings for link sharing. Make sure to clarify whether links can be. If you want to restrict external sharing, toggle the appropriate settings. Once you've made the necessary adjustments, be sure to save your changes. Now, let's move on to verifying Gmail sharing settings. Return to the main dashboard in the admin console. Select Apps again, then Google Workspace. This time, choose Gmail. Locate the User Settings section. Here, you can review settings related to email sharing. Check if users are allowed to send emails to external recipients. Make sure to also review settings for attachments. This will help ensure that sensitive information is protected. Adjust the settings as needed to align with your organization's policies. After verifying and modifying the Gmail settings as necessary, save your changes. You have now successfully checked and adjusted the sharing settings for both Google Drive and Gmail in your Google Workspace. Review your settings periodically to ensure they remain compliant with your organization's guidelines. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.